Right, just a short video on fitting a TV in the camper van. Got a 12 volt Sharp TV, which I'll show you now. That's a bad boy. It's got it plugged in now, it's all connected up to the internet in the house and that. And then what I'm going to do, I was just testing it with it. Look at the back, I've just fitted rear mount to it now. So then that'll fit to a bracket on the wall. And it's got 12 volt in and the oil. It's also got skirt sockets and HDMI, so you can connect other stuff up to it as well. But I was just testing it now because I'm just going to see what it runs on. Yeah, and as you can see, get a regular shine. It's got a 1 amp discharge on it, which to be fair, that's not bad that for a 12 volt TV. It's obviously pulling more, but it's just because my panels are actually putting a bit into the battery as well on that, but still spot on. And then what I've done is here, I've wired the back of the unit, you see, a little sig lighter inside here. I've actually just hid it down the back of the unit here so I can unplug it, because don't really want the TV just left on standby in the van. Bad enough trying to get the kids to turn their stuff off, never mind myself leaving it on in the van. So I'll put that behind the seat that I can just pop it in and out when I need it. And I'm just going to put now a wall mount bracket on, which is over here. I'm just going to put this bracket on here now, and then I'm going to screw it to the back of this unit and then punch it through there. And then hopefully that should hold the TV up nice and tight. And I'll put a little L bracket at the back, keeping that on. Like I said, short sweet video, so we'll see how it goes. See if it doesn't fall off. Thanks. As you can see there, it's connected up at the back. Brackets on. TV. I've just got it there. I'll sort of tidy our wires up, but you get the gist of it. There we go. TV set up in the back. Freeview, Wi-Fi, whole lot. Got the old Netflix on it, straight up. Apps, sources, media, so you can plug stuff into your TV and that. In general settings, but this is connected up to the Wi-Fi. Let's just try Netflix, see if it comes up. And I think we're in business, pal. There you go. Should do well for kids on camping, that should have it data, no doubt. But like I said, Sharp TV, absolutely spot on. And I also, as well, I forgot to tell you, we do get, I've just stuck it out here for the time being, like, but what I normally do is stick it on, it's magnetic, so it sticks on that bracket there. So you just grab it, and then when you're driving, just stick it out of there, job's good. And stick it back outside for camping. And I'll just show you the bracket at the back. You see the bracket mounted at the back there. I've just put a little retainer up there just to give that unit some support, because as you can see it just connects to the top there, and it's also bolted at the bottom. But like I say, it's good clear access here. Absolutely spot on. TV, messing back. Next project's in the back there. I'll reveal that another day. You get these little mounting Velcro strips. Spot on, so you can just tidy all your cables up at back there. So I'm going to whiz all these up now, and that should be job done. Thanks for watching.